Installing a new door can significantly improve your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. However, door installation requires precision and attention to detail. Many homeowners in Richland Hills attempt DIY installations or hire inexperienced installers, which can lead to costly problems later. Understanding the most common door installation mistakes can help you avoid frustration and ensure your new door functions properly for years to come. One of the most common mistakes is incorrect measurements. A door that is even slightly too large or too small will not fit properly in the frame. This can cause gaps that allow drafts, moisture, and pests to enter your home. It may also make the door difficult to open and close. Accurate measurement of the door frame's width, height, and depth is essential before purchasing a new door. Professional installers carefully measure the opening to ensure the new door fits perfectly. Another frequent issue is improper frame preparation. The door frame must be level, square, and structurally sound before installation begins. If the frame is warped, damaged, or uneven, the door will not sit correctly. This can result in poor sealing, uneven gaps, and long-term structural problems. Proper preparation often includes repairing or replacing parts of the frame to ensure a stable foundation for the door. Many people also overlook the importance of correct alignment. When a door is not aligned properly, it may drag on the floor, stick when opening or closing, or fail to latch securely. Misalignment can also put unnecessary stress on the hinges and hardware, causing them to wear out faster. Professional installers use specialized tools to ensure the door is perfectly aligned with the frame. Using the wrong hardware is another common mistake. Hinges, screws, locks, and handles must match the weight and design of the door. Low quality or incorrect hardware can cause the door to sag or become unstable over time. For exterior doors especially, durable and properly rated hardware is essential for both security and performance. Poor sealing and insulation can also create problems after installation. Gaps around the door frame allow outside air to enter the home, which reduces energy efficiency and increases heating and cooling costs. In a climate like Richland Hills, proper sealing helps maintain indoor comfort while protecting the door frame from moisture damage. Weather stripping, caulking, and insulation must be installed carefully to create a tight seal around the door. Another mistake is rushing the installation process. Door installation requires careful adjustments and checks throughout the process. Skipping steps or working too quickly can result in uneven spacing, loose hardware, or structural issues. Taking the time to check alignment, spacing, and functionality ensures the door operates smoothly and securely. Ignoring manufacturer instructions can also lead to problems. Every door type, whether it is wood, steel, fiberglass, or glass, has specific installation requirements. These guidelines are designed to ensure the door performs correctly and maintains its warranty. Failing to follow these instructions can compromise the door's durability and long-term performance. Finally, many homeowners underestimate the complexity of door installation. While it may seem straightforward, installing a door properly requires experience, the right tools, and technical knowledge. Mistakes during installation can lead to air leaks, security issues, and costly repairs down the road. Avoiding these common mistakes can help ensure your door installation is successful and long-lasting. For homeowners in Richland Hills, working with experienced professionals can make a significant difference. Proper installation not only improves the door's functionality but also enhances your home's comfort, efficiency, and security. A well-installed door is an investment that protects your home while adding value and curb appeal.